I've heard that when one becomes enlightened, it affects 7 generations. I've also heard you say Kriya erases some karma and changes your DNA. Can you speak on the relationship between DNA and karma and 7 generations?
You know, in the University of Oslo, there is an art of living teacher and a researcher, a scientist is there by name. In the University of Oslo in Norway, there is a scientist. He is doing research on DNA and Sudarshan Kriya. He is also an art of living teacher. And he has found, he would give you a better picture, diagram, explanation about how DNA, how it is affecting and all that. Because you seeing is believing, he can show you all that. But from a spiritual perspective, I would say yes, because Kriya has changes the way you think, it changes the way you feel, it changes your body. It has happened to you. All those who have done Sudarshan Kriya, you feel big difference in you. Do you notice that? How many of you see that? See. It is obvious, it's so evident. It is not just an imaginary change in the mind, it is a physical reality. There is a big change in the body, mind, spirit complex. It's so evident. In millions of people it is so evident. So one can conclude it has made an impact on the DNA. Because if everything, our action, our mind, our thoughts, the way we feel, everything depends on our DNA, if all this has been impacted, then that means it has happened through DNA as well. That's the inference.